Always good to see. I also miss. Okay. Damn. Okay. Kinda hitting hard. Nice try. I guess? Can you? Okay. Holy. What was that? Social link bonuses for Persona fusions? I mean, I'm gonna be doing a lot of fusions, so that's not bad. Actually. That's not bad to have. That's also another good thing too about holding off on doing fusions. Ooh, that's really good. That's actually really nice. Is that better than the other one? Oh, but I have Pierce Boost on you, don't I? I do. Well, I mean, this is good for AoE, so I mean, it's still good. It's not by no means bad. Magic